Hi, this is Kyle Williams with SI Distributing in Spencerville, Ohio. Wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you guys about a very simplistic product we have. It's actually made, fabricated by Greg Honchel, a good friend of mine. It's the Tailboard Trash Blower. It mounts on any S-Series John Deere combine. It's a very simplistic piece. You'll have it mounted in minutes. What it's doing is it's taking an existing air source already off the combine and it's going to divert it across this tailboard. We're doing this for a couple different reasons. One is fire prevention, and one is keeping you to have to blow this off yourselves and even keeps you clean. This tube will mount right here, 3 existing bolts. That's already there. There's no fabrication needed. It takes that air source and just diverts it evenly across this to keep it clean. It's a simplistic product. Anybody with a John Deere S-Series combine really needs to have this product on their machine. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at SI Distributing, 1-800-368-7773.